Hello there, and welcome back to my regular viewers, my irregular viewers, and my new viewers. I'm so pleased you can join us on the rest of our journey across the ditch. If you're not a subscriber, you might want to consider doing so. Just hit that button and don't forget to leave a comment. I love reading your thoughts on the video. Welcome to Dartmoor. Dartmoor is an upland area in southern Devon, England. The moorland and surrounding land has been protected by national park status since 1951. The majority of the prehistoric remains on Dartmoor date back to the late Neolithic and early Bronze Age. Indeed, it contains the largest concentration of Bronze Age remains in the United Kingdom, which suggests that this was when a larger population moved onto the hills of Dartmoor. Say Dartmoor, and I think prison. HM Prison Dartmoor is a Category C men's prison located high on Dartmoor. Its high granite walls dominate the area of the moor. The prison is owned by the Duchy of Cornwall and is operated by His Majesty's Prison Service. What an absolutely beautiful area to be incarcerated in. We realised too that Dartmoor was more than just a place for a prison. So we called into the information centre to see what sort of walks there were and what other sites we could see. So we came out with a pamphlet of a short walk, which we thoroughly enjoyed. We parked our car a bit further down the road because it was paid parking by the information centre. And although there was barely a car in sight, we didn't want to chance a ticket. It was a lovely walk. We would never have seen this bridge otherwise. So get your walking shoes on and come with us. Parts of Dartmoor have been used as a military firing range for over 200 years. The public is granted extensive land access rights on Dartmoor, including restricted access to the firing ranges, and it is a popular tourist destination. Along with the rest of southwest England, Dartmoor has a temperate climate, which is generally wetter and milder than locations at similar height in the rest of England. Some of the bogs of Dartmoor have achieved notoriety. Foxtor Myers was supposedly the inspiration for Great Grimpen Mire in Conan Doyle's novel The Hound of the Baskervilles. Dartmoor is known for its myths and legends, and is reputedly the haunt of pixies, a headless horseman, a mysterious pack of spectral hounds, and a large black dog, amongst others. And unfortunately, we came across none of those during our walk here. Hey. Turn a bit. Numerous prehistoric menhirs, more usually referred to locally as standing stones or long stones, stone circles and other types are to be found on the moor. A large variety of bird species can be found on Dartmoor, including ones that have declined elsewhere in the UK, such as the skylark and the common snipe, or are even rare nationally, such as the ring ouzel and the cockatoo. The old Oak Woodlands have a distinctive group of insects, including the blue-ground beetle and Hegford's pygmy moth, a species found nowhere else in the world. I have to confess, though, that we didn't come across any of those, and any of the birds that were there, I wouldn't have recognised them, but it was an absolutely beautiful place to walk. Then we came across, well, a sort of tree graveyard. It must have been one heck of a storm, causing them to be uprooted and falling to the ground. What was really fascinating was to see the base of these trees. The big stones which were in the ground were obviously part of the reason why they unearthed so easily. You could see exactly where these rocks or large stones fitted into the roots of the trees. It was truly a fascinating sight. I'm just not a gate person.